Hello friends and fellow Disney fans, welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. Today we're going to be talking all about what might be the best value stateroom on the Disney Wish, the inside stateroom, and whether or not it's a good fit for you. We're going to do a room tour and give you our review, so stick around. So thank you so much for joining us today. Like I just said, we are going to be doing a room tour and review of the inside stateroom cabin on Disney's newest cruise ship, the Disney Wish. But before we get into all that, just wanted to let you know a little bit more about the channel. My name is Brad. I am married to the real host of this channel, Jamie Thomas, who is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. Every week we bring you room tours, reviews, tips and tricks for the parks, for the cruise ships, so that you might have the most magical vacation possible whenever you visit the parks, the cruise ships, what have you next. But today we're going to be looking at what is potentially the best value cabin on the Disney Wish, the inside stateroom. I'm really excited to show this to you and just give you kind of my overall reviews. Jamie and I have been on several of the inside staterooms, whether it was on the Disney Wonder or on the Disney Fantasy. What we have found is this is definitely our favorite inside stateroom, but I want to show it to you and kind of give you my thoughts on why it could be potentially a good fit for you and your family. Here's your first look at the inside stateroom. This one is themed after Princess and the Frog, Tianna. Right when we enter, you'll notice a few things. It's bright, it's beautiful, but it is a little small. That is obviously what you're giving up a little bit when it comes to the value and the price that you get. Now, there's plenty of storage here, which is awesome. Right in there, obviously spots to hang up your clothes. Right next to it in the storage there, a lot of just different shelves that you can put things in, as well as, of course, a safe for your valuables. Next to all of that, you have more storage, a place a mirror really to look at as you're getting yourself ready. Also kind of little tiny storage counters for electronics and different items that you have. Now as we head over to this part of the room, obviously you see the master bed, storage on either side of the bed with the TV on the wall, and again just a beautiful mural dedicated to Princess Tianna and Princess and the Frog. Just absolutely gorgeous. And as we make our way around the room here, you'll see more art dedicated to Princess Tianna, and of course a couch for the folding out bed for that extra sleeper. Now in the inside staterooms, what you'll notice is there is not two separate bathrooms, one for the commode, one for the shower. It's all one unit. But again, it doesn't so much feel like that typical cruise ship kind of trailer bathroom. It really is a beautiful, bright bathroom, wonderful tile work in the shower, and of course, right next to the shower, a beautiful vanity for you to just get yourself ready in the morning with plenty of storage for all of your toiletries. Absolutely beautiful. You'll love it. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As I said before, one of my favorite, certainly inside staterooms on any of Disney's fleet of cruise ships. For some, it might be a little small, but certainly if you are on a budget looking for a good value, this could be the perfect way to get on the Disney Wish. If this video was helpful to you and you want more content like this, take a moment and subscribe to our channel. As I said before, we just bring videos with vlogs and tips and reviews to help you have the most magical vacation possible. And maybe you're wanting help on your next Disney vacation. Why not contact my wife? She is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. Her name is Jamie Thomas, and when you book through her, her services are completely free. She serves effectively as a concierge just to help you have the best vacation possible, and she's constantly monitoring for deals and different promotions that Disney puts out on vacations to help you not only have the best vacation possible, but the most affordable. If you are looking to reach out to her, the easiest way to do that is by email. You can reach out to her at jamie@clickthemouse.ca or on the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and we'll see you next week. Bye.